Hello everyone, this is Healthy Options with Maureen. Today we are making some blueberry smoothie. Blueberry is actually good for you because it's rich in antioxidants. Another great thing about this particular recipe is that I added on some ginger, making it a great detoxifying smoothie as well. Come with me as we make this. I know for sure you will like this. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and please to share as well. Also do turn on your notification bell so you can be alerted whenever new videos come up. Thank you. Our blueberry smoothies, we'll be needing some blueberries, a little bit of orange juice, some frozen bananas, some raw broccoli, ginger, and a little bit of lemon juice. So of course with smoothies, we'll just throw this all into the blender, then we'll start blending. So the orange juice goes in, followed by the lemon juice, blueberries, broccoli florets, ginger, and then the frozen bananas. So we're just going to blend this all up together. So at this point our smoothie is ready and I'm just going to turn it out. I hope you give this recipe a go and let us know what your take is on this. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and please do share as well. Thank you.